Thankfully, our paths crossed with Dana, Todd, and Garrett's at the 16th anniversary gala. And Dana, I hope you remember this. I told you then, we want to be just like you guys. During 2019, I had the opportunity to start working with Autism Tree through the LEAD program. So LEAD is a 10-month enrollment leadership course through the San Diego Chamber of Commerce. And along with our county assessor, Jordan Marks, we teamed up, we elected to study and support Autism Tree as our graduation project. So to that end, I've got a pretty good understanding of this organization. I understand how it ticks, but I want to share what it means to me and to my family. So as parents, you're all out there. We all just want the best for our kids. It's so primal, isn't it? As Jack's parents, we just wanted to give him the best support. And that started by giving him the best school support. We wanted to give him the best therapy support. And finally, we wanted to foster a community of support. And Autism Tree is that community. You guys are our community. We found our tribe. And I found my calling. Because through Autism Tree, I found my way. I found my son. I grappled with his autism diagnosis. Now I fully embrace it. I celebrate you guys. I celebrate this community, and I am a lifelong supporter of Autism Tree. Quick shout out to our fearless leader, Dana. I just want to extend my personal and deepest gratitude to Dana for the positive impact you and Autism Tree have had on me and my family. This organization is full of goodness, and it's Dana that puts it in there. Yeah, Dana. Lastly, quick plug for Autism Tree's golf event. That's the next, that's all me. That's the next big event. Kirsten and I, my wife, we host Autism Tree's golf event. We call it AT Rocks. It's a rock-themed charity golf event. We do it at the Loma Club in Liberty Station. We do it on October 2nd, which is World Autism Day's half birthday. We've done it 2 years, and we're coming up on the 3rd annual 18 Rocks, and I want to welcome you guys to that event. I hope to see many of these faces there.